Yo, 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 Team Triggerful here. I'm going to go over the Great Nature deck. It's very great. My starting Vanguard is Acorn Master. It's a grade 3 searcher. My grade 3 lineups are 4. Magic Scientist Tester Fox. It's a Legion. And 4 Break Rides. Honorary Professor Shatnor. This card, its effect is awesomeness. Okay. My grade 2 lineups are 4. Researcher Fox. There are the Legion mates for Tester Fox. 4 Binoculous Tigers, because they're cool. And 3 Geograph Giants, because they're cool too. Alright. My grade 1 lineups are 4 Cable Sheep. Yeah, my bad. There are the typical Great Nature Perfect cards. And they're shiny, because who doesn't like shiny cards? 4 Wash-Up Raccoons, although they look like reindeers, but they're still cool too. I think they run well in this deck because they recycle cards in and out of the deck and thins out the deck. It Counterblast 1. Choose 3 grade 1s or greater Great Nature cards from your drop zone and put it back into your deck, but it cannot be Wash-Up Raccoon. And you could search your deck for a Wash-Up Raccoon and add it to hand. And my avatar is 4 Coiling Duckbills. They're a necessity for the Great Nature deck because during your main phase, when this unit is placed on the rear guard, choose another of your Great Nature rear guards, and that unit gets, during your end phase, when this unit is placed into the drop zone, draw a card until the end of the turn. And I also run 2 Silver Wolves. The reason why I run 2 Silver Wolves because they're my fillers for the Soul Blast draw 1 card. They didn't come out in America yet, so I'm just waiting for those, and I'll just replace Silver Wolf for those cards. Alright, my Saki trigger lineup is 4 plus 2, which equals 6 crit triggers. Because who does not like critting their opponents? I run 4 stand triggers. They run really well with Binoculous Tiger and the Break Ride Shatnor. And my heal trigger lineups are 4 Dictionary Goats because I believe that all decks should have heal triggers in them because they're also really sacky, which is awesome because I'm the sacking master. You could even ask Ryan. And I run 2 draw triggers. This card is really good for ending the game because when you put this unit into the soul, choose one of your Great Nature card and that gets plus 3,000 until the end of the turn. Alright, so that's all I'm gonna say for today. If you like this video, like. If you did not like this video, like. Alright, I'm gonna sign out.